Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, CB Radio Depot. We have picked up a little Dentron 160-10L amplifier. Got this thing in here and it needed quite a bit of work. Went through it. It needed new glass. Tubes were flat. Someone did put new caps and new rectifiers and resistors in it, which was a big help. Meter resistor had to be changed in it. Got it working. This particular amp, someone has added a standby switch to this, which is kind of nice because they didn't come with one. This one does have the 572s in it. It does not have the 811As. It's running according to the meter. It's running just a bump over 2,000 volts, and I'm not really for sure how accurate it is, but it's in the ballpark. Anyway, this is a really simple amp, and in fact, on the back of it, it's got the antenna and the exciter SO239s and one relay RCA jack for a foot switch or whatever you're going to use to key it with. It does not have external ALC. The ALC is done through, I believe, if I remember correctly, it's done through the tank circuit. Anyway, it has internal ALC. Here on the front, you can change between amps and volts. Like I said, it's had the operate standby, transmit light, your load, and your tune. And this is your band switch over here. Your on-off switch is right here. You load it in continuous duty. And basically what this switch does is it changes the bias just like it does on all other amps. Lower on the continuous duty. So anyway, it's just super simple, super sweet little amplifier. I did have a nice set of Cetron 572s that I had pulled out of a destroyed clipperton L and put in there, and they all checked about 90%. So it's got a nice set of tubes in it, and it puts out real well. Let's do a little quick output demonstration. We're on 75 meters, 2,000 watt scale. We'll see what we got here. Hello. Bouncing a little over 1,000, about 1150. So it's doing about what it should. Fan these, it's got a real big fan in it. Of course, it needs a big fan to cool 4 tubes. A little noisy. I know some guys have problems with real noisy fans, which they can be an issue if with your microphone on your radio. Anyway, it looks like somebody has made a real big effort to kind of restore this little amplifier, so it's in pretty good run shape. I could not find any issues with it whatsoever. And at the price point, these are a great amplifier. If you need 1,000 watts, what these things go for, this unit would be, any of these units would be very hard to beat. Very hard to beat. Anyway, Appreciate you all viewing our video. Come see us at CB Radio Depot, and we have a lot of stuff on there, and we try to add every week. We try to add new items. Come see us. Thank you.